In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Windrose game on your PC. So let us begin. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after logging in, you will end up within the store page. From here, just click on the search box, and now type in Windrose to begin your search. Once you find it, you can click on the title, and this will take you into the detail page. Here you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Note that the game is still in early access. When you click on your preferred bundle or edition to add it to your cart, you can then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials, followed by your billing information. After you have completed your transaction, the game will be added to your library, and you can select your install location and complete the download and installation in just a few clicks. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Windrose game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Windrose on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.